Makhada Leiba Northeast Zone Cultural Center NEZcc की narrative art की गुरु OIRIBA DR.KUNJABIHARI SHAMULAILATPAM बु तमिल नाडु दा leiba SANSKRIT Ancient Yoga University na Art and Culture की LAMDA Honorary Directorate Apigani Honorary Doctorate PIRAKPABU LAINING LAISHON TENGBANG LUP MANIPUR na HARAO TAYAMNA OKTUNA PUKNING THOUGATKHRE LAINING LAISHON TENGBANG LUP MANIPUR na sinduna ngasi yari pok bamo laikai da leiba Regional Center for Cultural Heritage RCCH की hall da pangthokiba thoram aduda Thambalnu Sahitya Marup kam Library yari pok की founder kam chief advisor Raghuveer TAYAMNA thoi ba mithunglen Laishram Mani Gaura Sangeet Academy Thoubal Wangkhem gi Secretary Laishram Bijor Kumar Singh na thoram mapu aduga Sasastra Sima Bal SSB dagi Potharaba Oinam Ibotomba Singh Amadi Honorary Doctorate Fanglaba DR.KUNJABIHARI SHAMULAILATPAM na akhalaba mithunglen oina sarukya ki Tharamadudha DR.KUNJABIHARI SHAMULAILATPAM na LAINING LAISHON TENGBANG LUP MANIPUR gi maikai dagi achamba kudol sing tamduna ikai khumdaba pukning thogatpa utki panbai yabadi DR.KUNJABIHARI SHAMULAILATPAM gi relation between art and religion declination of Reliance in the modern society and its remedies haiba thesis asida Sanskrit Ancient Yoga University Tamil Nadu na United Nations International Peace Council 2026 ki chinglemlaba thoram special occasion amada Honorary Doctorate of Arts and Culture 2026 piduna sakang kibani haidi DR.KUNJABIHARI SHAMULAILATPAM hauzik All India Radio amasung Doordarshan Kendra Imphal gi approved artist amasu oibada natna All Manipur OIRIBA Association and Research Center Imphal gi treasurer gi Phamgi Thausu Puri adugi sumathakta tongan ba Satat National amadi International Award kya su fangkre gedipo bamo laikai dagi DR.KUNJABIHARI hauzik narrative art form gi guru ama oibata natana sanglaba chahi kya gi mamang dagi Regional Center for Cultural Heritage linkatuna Art and Culture gi LAMDA amadi Regional Institute of Handicapped Person RIHP linkatuna miyam ga mima nadraba namasoiraba kya gi mahai masing takpi tambiba handicraft ki vocational training kya pangthokpa sanakhonaba gi LAMDA su honaduna RIHP gi mahairoi singbu international gi thakta Special Olympic Games sa saruk yaruduna medal lawrakhibasu yaukre India gi tongan by state sing Assam Tripura gi mafam kaya da chatuna wari libagi arts asi yokhatna hotnari amadi miyam gi oiba loop kaya gi thau puramduna leibaki damak Sangsin kiba khongjang kya dasu saruk yarakhi